In this video, I'll show you how to download a Facebook Messenger thread or messages, alright? Especially on PC. And what we're going to do is just go ahead over to our profile right here on the top right, tap on your profile again, then go ahead over to settings, click on it, and in here, again, settings, and wait for the website to load. Now, once it loads, go ahead over to Meta right here in the left pane, click on Account Center, alright? Click on it and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, what you would want to do is just go ahead over to your information and permissions. All right, just click on it. Down here, as you can see, download your information is available. Just go ahead and click on it. And as you can see here, I already made a request right here about a few weeks ago. All right, I'm just going to click on download or transfer information. Click on it. Down here, we're going to go ahead over to our Facebook account. As the title suggests, I'm going to click on it and hit on next. And in here, it asks how much information do you want? Just go ahead over to specific types of information. All right, click on it and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, right here, as you can see, there are a ton of tick boxes right here. So what we're going to tick here is basically messages. All right, just tick on this one and hit on next. If you want to, you can go ahead and click on download to device or transfer to destination. I'm just going to select on download to device. And in here, we're going to want to select date range, for example, last year or all the time. I'm just going to use last week, hit on save. Then in here, as you can see, make sure to click on this one and review the email which you've used because the file will be sent on this particular email. All right. Then here, the format, just leave it to HTML. If you want JSON, click on JSON right here. Then the media quality, if you want high quality, this might take longer. All right, preferably medium, it's fine. But if you want high quality, just click on this one and hit on save. And in here, it says include mobile compatible media. You'll be able to view media on your mobile device, but the download size will be larger. All right, if you want to, just go ahead and tick on this tick box right here and just go ahead over to create files. All right, as you can see, your information is being prepared for a download. Now, what you're going to want to do next is just go ahead over to your email address. Once you receive the file, you'll be able to open it and review the messages. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.